are you ready to wake up to an inbox full of messages? People asking you for your product and to join your team without sending pitchy reach out messages or being a slave to your phone ever again. If that's what you want, this is just for you. The way people buy, it's changed. In the past, a network marketing rep had to get a prospect's attention. They'd have to convince them that they needed their products or to join their team. Reps used cold messages, a cookie cutter process, and pushed a sales script. Yuck. This doesn't work anymore. People don't want to be sold to, and they don't want you reaching out to them. 90% of people will never respond. You'd have to send over 1,600 messages just to make 5 sales. Bad news bears. But here's the good news. People are searching for the exact solution that you provide right now. 97% of people look up products and opportunities before saying yes. And they're open to information from experts and influencers. Be the one they find and reach out to. But how? How do you flip the tables and wake up to an inbox full of people reaching out to you for your products and to join your team? That is what I teach. Hey, I'm Steph. I'm a mom of 2 little boys, dog lover for life, big into outdoor adventures, and marketing is my jam. It's what I love to do all day, every day. Help network marketers, both new and experienced, further grow their influence and their profits on social media. 100% spam-free, selling on autopilot. And before I let you in on these secrets that are going to change everything, let's get a truth bomb out of the way. Because I know you're probably thinking it. I know I have. First of all, you don't have to run ads or create fancy funnels to make good money on social media as a network marketer. Let's be real. Most network marketers don't make much money in their first couple years, or if ever. Told you I'd be real. But you've got an opportunity to double, triple, or even 10x your monthly paycheck in the next 30 days. And I'm about to give you the roadmap. What is it? The Secrets of Social Selling. It's a course for network marketers who want to learn how to flip those tables, how to wake up to an inbox full of people reaching out to you for your opportunity and to join your team. Dramatically level up your business and your bank account now. Hit the button right below this video and get access to all my secrets right now. The 9 secrets I share in this course are the exact same secrets that I stumbled on in my 2nd month of business as a newbie network marketer. And my paycheck went from $196 to over $1,300, $1,302 to be exact, within 30 days. And then I went on to have back-to-back years of over $50,000 in personal sales alone as a result of implementing these secrets every single day on social media. Here's what you'll learn in this game-changing course. Secret 1, how to grow your influence and master that pesky algorithm. Secret 2, how to build your know, like, and trust and do it fast. Secret 3, how to become the expert and have people reaching out to you. Secret 4, how to never run out of content ideas again. Secret 5, how to boost your engagement and increase customer sales by 66%. Secret 6, how to connect with the right people at the right time. Your dream team list. Secret 7, the exact words that are flagged as spam and what to say instead. Secret 8, how to stop the mindless scroll and have fun doing it. 100% spam free. Secret 9, a simple batching, creating, and repurposing hack. No planner required. Hit the button and grab these secrets right now. But that's not all. When you hit that button, you're also going to receive exclusive bonuses to this course. What's up first? What I like to call the cheat sheets. These are step-by-step, fill-in-the-blank cheat sheets with specific actions for each secret. There's no second guessing what to do next. Watch it, then do it. Easy peasy. And I include loads of my own real-life examples. There's no winging it. Get the actions I have taken to personally close 50 grand in sales year after year. Hit that button and grab the course and get these cheat sheets. Oh, but that is not all. Chances are you're gonna have questions. Crap, what then? Enter in Facebook. The Secrets of Social Selling, private Facebook community. quickly troubleshoot any social media hiccups that get in your way. And what's even better, form partnerships and friendships with other network marketers. This group is a safe place to get feedback and support from other people just like you. Plus, you can tag me and get your questions answered. Holy cow, Steph, all of this just for me? Yes, I made this 100% just for you. With these 9 secrets in your back pocket, you'll walk away with a clear picture of what it looks like to run a 5-figure business on social, like mine, and how to get there yourself. And let's be clear, this isn't a course with massive hours of video and you end up binging Netflix because your head hurts. It is a crash course to dramatically level up your business and your bank account right now. Plus, who doesn't love a few good secrets up their sleeve? Hit the button below and access all my secrets right now.